Hey, what's up? Good morning, y'all. It's Jess. Welcome back to another video. So, y'all, excuse my appearance. It is like 5:30 in the morning right now. The sun's not even up. I'm up super early today because I am officially working from home now. So I'm up so I can get all my connections up and running so I can be ready to go at my regular start time for work. But today I'm going to be showing y'all my office. I know some of y'all had commented on my video that I did for my DIY bookshelf makeover. Some of y'all were interested in seeing how I decorate my office. So I'm going to show y'all that today. I also need to set up all of my work plants that I brought with me from work. So I figured I'd just take y'all along and show y'all. My office is nowhere near done. Like, I still have a lot of stuff that I want to do. I have a lot of painting I need to do, some pieces I need to bring in, some stuff I need to hang up on the walls. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what it's looking like currently, just a brief overview. But if y'all are interested in seeing a detailed video, let me know down in the comments below and I'll do like a full tour where I got everything, how much stuff was, that kind of video. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and I'll be back to show y'all my office. Okay, so here is my box of plants that I brought with me from work, and I'm just going to start by moving all of these pictures that I still have to hang on my walls out of the way so that I can move my router on the floor and make room for my plants. And again, all of this will not be staying here. This is the stand where my TV normally sits, and my friend is borrowing it right now, so yeah, all of this will be temporary. Setting these up top actually worked out perfect because the crown molding hides the gray pot, so I didn't have to worry about changing these to white pots. Okay, y'all, so I'm just taking a quick break from working because I had 2 packages that just were delivered, and I want to go ahead and open these on camera for y'all. So the first one we have is from Planterina. If y'all have not seen her YouTube or Instagram, I don't know where you've been. You've been living under a rock. But yeah, she is amazing with plants. So I did place an order. I want to say I placed this order like 2 days ago, and it's already here, you guys. So the shipping on this was super fast. And I just want to go ahead and get this box open, get the plant out of the box so it can live its best life. So yeah. All Oh, it's packaged so cute. And y'all, I'm out of gloves, so I know this package, I believe, came from New York. I want to say she's in New York. Not sure on that, but I did wipe the box down, and I also sprayed the box with Lysol before opening, and I'll just wash my hands afterwards. But it comes packaged so cute, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty already. I love her cute little card. So I did order a mist peace lily. It just says peace lily here on the tag. High water, low to medium light, and average humidity. And then it's got her contact information and then some notes on how to get started. So this is super cute with a little jute twine. Make sure there's nothing else in here that I need. Yep, just says it's Peace Lily Platinum Mist. I'm sorry, y'all. I just said mist, so it's Platinum Mist. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Y'all know, so many of y'all have called me the Peace Lily Queen, and I will take that. I love Peace Lilies. Oh, I've got it wrapped around my finger. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Whoever tied this tied it very well. Alright, so we just got some wrapping paper here I'm going to rip off. And of course I'm getting soil all over my lap. Oh, you guys, this is so pretty. It does have a little stake in it, and it's just wrapped in saran wrap. So very happy with the packaging on that. I have almost zero soil. I only have like a few little pieces fall on my lap. But y'all, this is a good sized plant. This is only a 4-inch pot, but look how big it is. So this is what the leaves look like. I'm not sure if y'all can see that on camera. If not, I'll just insert some slow-mo close-ups for you guys. And I do have some new growth coming in. I do have just one leaf here that has a little bit of browning, but I've got 2 blooms. So excited about this plant, y'all. I love peace lilies, and I love how this leaf variegation is. It's not, I don't even know if this is really variegation. It has like the inside of the leaves is like a light pale misty looking green. I guess that's where it gets its name, and the outer edges are darker. But it also has like a crazy vein pattern to that I didn't even know about. So super happy with this purchase. Let me move on to the next box. I'm gonna set this right over here. Okay, and then this second package is another package that was sent to me. This is another humidifier sent to me from Elecom. So thank you again to all of my friends at Elecom for sending me another humidifier. And I believe, yep, this one is a different model. If y'all have not seen my last review on the other humidifier, it was white. This one is black, so let's get this out the way. Okay, so here's the box for you guys. This one is the Elecom's model HTJ2119. So this one is a little bit different from the last humidifier that I reviewed. The other one was white. This one obviously is black. So I basically just mentioned to them that I was interested in purchasing a black one to go in my loft upstairs, and they were so nice to send me this one to review for free. So yeah, I am going to run this, and I will do a follow-up video for you guys comparing the 2 humidifiers. So keep a lookout for that video. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I know this was kind of like just a casual, random video, but I'm happy to be home. I feel safer. I feel more comfortable at home. So yeah, I'm excited to be working from home. Let me know down in the comments below if you all are working from home or if you're still having to go to work, what your situation is. And also let me know what you thought about the peace lily that I unboxed. So yeah, thank y'all so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more, and as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.